Yo guys, today we're back at rain.gg. Um, we have 10 coins up on our balance right now. We have another 40 in the vault. And we're trying to go from 10 coins to a knife. And yeah, let's get it started.
Quickly guys, before we jump into the video, if you want to check rain.gg out yourself, click on the deposit section, type code VIZOM, click apply, and this way you get 5% deposit bonus.
Okay, so let's start with like uh, one coin in green, one coin in bait. Um, yeah, guys, please check out my Discord. I will make some first giveaways there. Uh, yeah, if you want to take part, make sure you check it out. Okay, the green nor the bait hits. Let's go to the battles. We have to put some risky cases in. Let's go. Let's start it over with three-way crazy jackpot. Yeah, and let's do two battles for around 4 coins. Two of those, one of those, snowball broken. Let's put in like under construction. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. Ideally, we would like to get like 30 to 40 coins, go all in, and hopefully win it. Because otherwise, it's really fucking hard to do it. I mean, if we hit something massive from those cheap cases, it could be possible as well, but yeah, not going so well right now. Oh, of course we pull, right? What's that? 255. I mean, our odds are already gone. They both need to pull something. That's absolutely dog shit. Broken. Nothing hitting. Come on now. Boom! Nothing. Okay, let's run it back once more. We're not gonna win it, even if we do, it's not profit. Okay. Yeah, let's do the same thing once more. Call the bots in. I feel like we have to try 3-way or 4-way to get some boost from... Oh, okay! That's really good, right? Come on, it has to be. Oh shit, there are only gold items. Yes! What's that? Okay, 100 coins, please! The middle guy has to pull. Just don't show us anything. Come on, don't show us the 250, please. Okay, they don't pull either. I mean, it's 50-50 as long as we don't pull. Come on, please. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. 2 cases to go. Please don't show us anything. That's already done. If we don't pull anything and we hit the 50-50. Come on. Give him something from last case, please. Please. Okay, they pulled something and he pulled it again. Okay, we have massive chances to get ourselves to 100 coins. Come on. What's that? Come on, please be good. 11 coins more. Okay, 75% chance, please. Yes! Fucking massive, guys. Let's go. Holy shit. What was the percentage of that, bro? 0.02. Okay. How much is the cheapest fucking knife? Let's go knife. And price ascending. 156. Unless shadow daggers are cheaper. Okay, they're not. So 156 is the goal. 156. Okay. Wow. Okay, that was a massive fucking battle. Let's go 3v3 crazy jackpots. Let's put a bit more expensive cases, but nothing really insane. Yeah, we don't want to go all in, so let's do this. 12 coins. We need just like 50 coins. If someone pulls massively, we can get it easily. Come on. Creepers. That's not good. Come on. Something else. Please. Rain spin. Nothing. Okay. I mean, it's really volatile case, so it doesn't matter. Hunter, that's 1%, I believe. Doesn't hit. We still have 5 cases to go. Come on. Something. Okay, they did pull 3 and 1. Okay, I mean, these two guys should be out if others don't pull. I mean, the chances aren't still good. Rainbow 12 has to pull. Okay, guys, this could be it. Really low ticket, can do it. Come on, shows a gold border. Okay, that's something. 10 coins. Okay, still need something more. And nothing here. Jackpot is just 20 coins. Come on, something. Dog shit. I mean, at least give us the money. Doesn't. Okay, let's run it back once more. 12 coin loss. We can deal with this. We can deal with this. Let's go once again. Please. 70 coins are required. Come on. Nothing so far. Rippers, come on. Show us the rain spin. Okay, just the orbs and the stickers. Hunter shows 1 rain spin. Just the enforce, come on. Again, 5 cases to go. Please. Absolute dog shit. Okay, this guy should be out if we all don't pull topside. Okay, they did get 1, but that's not enough to get 70, I believe. Still would be great to see a gold. That's 10 coins. That's nothing. 11, okay. If Rainbot 17 pulls something. Okay, he did pull 5 coins, yeah. Glorious and Fireplace, come on. Give us some rain spins. This guy pulled again. I mean, the odds are in our favor, but there's no profit in this battle. Okay, we have massive odds to win this, but we don't get anything. We even lose money. I mean, at least we got something back from it. Let's go 2v2 normal mode. Okay, let's try this. Let's put 3 creepers, candy shop, fireplace, confusion, and no encore. Okay, again 12 coins. Show us something left side, please. A rain spin, left side, right fucking now. Come on. Doesn't show up. Come on, one more chance. If we pull it, we're done. We get the knife. Yes, please! Stay! Yes! Oh my fucking god. This should be done. This should be done. Please go down. Holy shit. What's that? 225. Please. Candy shop. Okay, they did give us some feed. Don't show a rain spin right side, please. Don't do it. Don't you fucking dare. Confusion. Don't confuse. Yes! Some more feed! Okay. Show us something good. It's still something. And I don't think there is a way they could win. Yes! Oh my fucking god. We actually done it. The first try. With the first fucking try. Holy fucking shit. If you want to check out rain.gg, as you can see, we went from 10 coins to 212 on the first try. And yeah, use code Vism. Let's end it off with a battle like 40, so we can still get a knife if we don't win. Let's do 30. Let's do 3v3 crazy jackpot. Let's see if we can get even further. Let's get mimified in, weakened in, fenced in. Let's put something more expensive like Scream. Yeah, that's decent. Okay, so yeah, if we don't win it, we still have 179. We can take something out if we want. Come on. Show us rain spins bottom. Nothing so far. Come on. Weakened. Rain spin bottom side. Nothing at all. Holy shit. That's going to be really fucking bad if we don't hit anything. Okay. I mean, yeah. The odds aren't good and the jackpot is even worse. We don't hit the last case either. Yeah. Maybe jackpots? No, we don't. We ended off with 170.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my fucking god. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb, guys. What the fuck? No way. No fucking way. No fucking way. I wanted to type in 4.17. I mean, guys, we did it. And yeah, misclick and lose it all. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.